All right, for 5-2, let's go to slide 2. So instead of doing a regular table, what we're going to go do is insert table, and we're going to do an Excel spreadsheet instead. So what that's going to do is bring up a whole Excel menu. Notice it's green, Excel is green, and it just gives us a teeny tiny partial spreadsheet. Well, if you look at the information we have, we need 4 columns, 6 rows. So you're going to need to stretch this out so that you can have 4 columns. So you kind of have to put your cursor over till you get the arrows face it both ways. And 1, 2, now you've got 4. And then down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got way too many. We'll leave this for now, but we're going to need to take a couple rows off before we are done. So I'm going to type this information in here, and then we'll continue. All right, so I have everything typed in here now. Number 5 says, go to the page layout tab. So here we are right here. And we're going to change, we're going to get a theme that's going to match the theme of our PowerPoint, which is retrospect. And I know nothing looks different yet, but it will. Number 6, adjust the column widths by dragging or double clicking to display all data. Widen the overall spreadsheet object if needed. All right, so the easiest thing here, you're not going to go in between like we do in tables in Word or PowerPoint. You have to go in between the A and the B, where your cursor has the arrows going both ways. And you can double click to make it bigger and for everything to fit in. All right, so I think we're good there. Number 7 says, click in cell B7, which is right here, and type total cost. Hit your tab key to go to the next cell. And click the sum button in the editing group on the home tab. So we can go to the home tab, and we can go to this auto sum drop down. It's going to add all that up. So all we have to do is hit the enter key, and it's in there. Okay. Number 9 says apply quick styles. So we're going to select the column headings, which is this here, machine, upgrades, time frame. And see, here's the styles. We're going to do the drop down. And here's the different headings. Let's see. Click any of the heading styles of your choice. Okay. It's possible if you selected a certain heading, it won't fit in there anymore. So I just had to make my cell bigger because it won't fit in there anymore. All right, next, click the total cost cell right here. And in cell styles, select a style of your choice. So anything you would like here, you can put in there. Whatever you want. Then click the cell that contains the sum and click the total style. So let's go down here, and here's the cell that says total. We'll click on that. Click the select area at the top left corner of the worksheet. So that's going to be, if you just click right in this whole little area, that's going to select everything. Okay. And you want to change the font size to 20 points. All right, once again, you're going to have to make everything a little bit bigger if it doesn't fit. It was just that first one that was no good. Number 14, select the entries in the time frame column. This is this whole column right here. And click to center it. Okay. Now we're done with everything. So at this point we do have this one cell down here at the bottom that we don't need. So if you'll grab that little sizing handle right there, we're going to go up one to get rid of. Look, I went up more than one. Okay. So you don't want any extra because you don't want that to appear on your slide as just empty grids. So that's all you want on there, and then click out to go back. And there you have everything from your Excel spreadsheet into your PowerPoint slide. All right, that's done. You can go ahead and turn that one in next.